In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a question log on Quora. If you want to check the history or activity details connected to a question on Quora, the process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Quora and make sure you're on the main interface where you can access your activity and answers. From there, click on the answer icon. This will take you to the section where your answers and related content are available. If you're not immediately sure which icon it is, take a second to look across the navigation area until you find the one associated with answers. This is the starting point for locating the question you want to inspect. Once you're in the answer section, navigate to the specific question you want to view. This part is important because the question log is accessed from the individual question's options. Scroll if needed and make sure you've selected the correct question before moving on. When you find it, look for the three-dot menu next to that question and click it. This menu usually contains additional actions and settings that are not shown directly on the main screen. After opening that menu, you should see an option labeled View Question Log. Click on that option to open the log. This is where Quora provides the history or record associated with that question. Depending on what you're reviewing, this can be helpful for understanding changes, updates, or other details connected to the question and over time. As a quick tip, if you don't see the option right away, make sure you open the menu for the correct question and not for a different item on the page. It also helps to wait a moment for the page to fully load, especially if your connection is slow. Small interface delays can sometimes make options appear a little later than expected, and that's all it takes to view a question log on Quora. Once you know where the answer section is and how to use the three-dot menu, the process becomes very straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find the question log you were looking for on Quora.